Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can take a long screenshot of Facebook Messenger chat screen on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under the video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Please friends. First, open the App Store app on your phone and then go to search, and in the search box, type in the word Zeta and search. Then scroll down a little bit, click on the app, which is called Zeta Stitch. And here you will need to where I have the word open, you will have the word download. Click on it, wait for this app to download to your iPhone. And then click Open, accept the terms and conditions of the app, and give it access to your gallery. After that, friends, you will need to exit the App Store. Open Phone Settings on your iPhone and select Control Center here. In the Control Center, folks, you'll need to make sure that you have a shortcut called Screen Recording added. It looks like this. If you don't have it added, folks, then find it in the bottom list. And when you find it, click the green plus sign next to it to add it instantly like this. Now friends, exit the settings. Next, go to Facebook Messenger. When you open it up, swipe, please, from the right side of the screen from top to bottom and click on the screen recording shortcut, and in 3 seconds, the screen recording will start. When it starts, it's chalking red like this. Now you can swipe from the bottom to the top and go to some correspondence. And in order to write something down here, you'll need to swipe from top to bottom, folks, but not quickly. When you're done doing that, swipe also on the right side, top to bottom, and stop recording the screen. Next, friends, exit the Messenger and go to the app you've already downloaded. It's Zeta Stitch. Open it up. You will then go to the screen recording you just made. You will just need to crop it. There will be a blue frame at the bottom for that. Trim it just on both sides as you will need to. Once you have cropped your screen recording, on the far right, click Next. Wait for it to load. You can review what you're happy with here. And also in the upper right-hand corner, click Save. After you save this long screenshot, you can send it to someone right away. Or you can also delete the original screen capture there as well. And don't worry, this way you're such a long screenshot, it will automatically be saved to the gallery. It will look like this. I'll show you an example of another screenshot from just another messenger. It will look like this. It will be long. It will have all the information. You can enlarge it and see everything. Friends, this is how you can take a long screenshot of a Facebook Messenger chat screen on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you soon.